tan of a minus b. This model is very important. Different types. Same model. Tan of a minus b equal to 1 by root 3, comma, cos a equal to 1 by 2. The measure of angle B, the measure of angle B in radians. Anyone given, no problem. Same method in radians also. So first answer A equal to pi by 3, B answer pi by 4, C answer pi by 6, D answer pi by 3. Very simple method. We already previous problem solve. Same method. Tan of a minus b equal to 1 by root 3. Which angle is equal to tan 1 by root 3 in tan functions? Tan 30. Tan 30 equal to 1 by root 3. Because of here given tan. So we think also tan functions. Both side tan leave it a minus b equal to 30 degrees. Same way, cos a equal to 1 by 2. Cos a in cos function, cos 60 equal to 1 by 2, we know that. So cos 60 equal to, both side cos leave it a equal to 60. Substitution a value, a 60 minus b equal to 30, minus b equal to 30 plus 60 will be changed minus 60, minus b equal to 30 minus 60 minus 30. Because of big number has minus, answer is minus. So both side minus cancellation, b equal to 30 is the answer. 30 is also right as pi by 6. Because of pi equal to 180, 30 will be changed pi by 180. 0 0 cancel, 3 1s 3 6, that means pi by 6 also. So pi equal to 180 in radians, pi by 6. So answer C is the correct. Pi equal to pi by 6. Once again, given tan of a minus b equal to 1 by root 3, cos a equal to 1 by 2. The measure of angle B in radians. In radians means radius 2 pi by 3 means pi, that means 2 pi by 3, pi by 4, pi by 6, pi by 3. Anyone, no problem. Tan of a minus b equal to 1 by root 3. Tan of a minus b equal to, in tan functions, 1 by root 3 is equal to tan 30. Tan 30 equal to 1 by root 3. Anyone. Both side tan functions leave it. A minus b equal to 30. Another cos a equal to 1 by 2 given. In cos function, cos 60 is also 1 by 2. Both cos functions leave it a equal to 60. A equal to 60 substitution here. A equal to 60 minus b equal to 30. Minus b equal to 30 plus 60 will be changed minus 60. Minus b equal to 30 minus 60 minus 30. Both sides minus cancel. B equal to 30. That 30 means pi by 6. Because of pi equal to 180. No, so angle degrees will be changed. In radians, multiplication with pi by 180. I am already told in previous class. 30 into pi by 180. 0 0 cancel. 3 1 ja 3 6 1 into pi mean pi by 6. So b equal to 30, that means pi by 6. C is the correct answer. Cos 1 degrees, cos 1 degree, cos 2 degree, cos 3 degree, and so on. Cos 100 degree, cos 100 degree equal to dash. First option A 1, second option 0, third option -1, fourth option infinity, that means not defined. Not defined. This one right, not defined. Not defined. Infinite, that means. So given cos 1 degree, cos 2 degree, cos 3 degree, and so on. Here also come cos 90 and cos 91, cos 92, and so on, cos 100 also. Because of 1, 2, 3, and so on, 5, 6, and so on, 90, 91, 92, 93, and so on, 100. But we know that cos 90 equal to 100. In multiplication, no, cos 1, no, cos 2, right, cos 3, right, and so on, cos 9, 0 into cos 91, cos 92, and so on, cos 100. In multiplication, one value equal to 0, the total value equal to 0. Because of 0 into anything, 0. So, cos 1, cos 2, cos 3, and so on, cos 90, 91, 92, and cos. But we know cos 90 equal to 0. So, cos 1 into cos 2 into cos 3 and so on, 90 value substitution 0 into cos 91, cos 92 and so on. So, in multiplication, 0 of any values, any terms equal to 0. So, 0 is the answer. B is the answer. B is the answer. Next one. Tan 48 degrees, tan 16 degrees, tan 16 degrees, tan 42 degrees, tan 42 degrees, tan 74 degrees equal to dash. First option given, first option 1 by root 3, second option root 3, third option 0, fourth option, fourth one 1. Very simple method, same model, already told. Tan 48, tan 48, tan 16, tan 42, tan 74. The big angles will be changed in small angles. That is 48. 48 write as 90 minus 42. Next, tan 16 write same, tan 42 write same, tan 74 big angle write of 90 minus 16. 90 minus 16. Tan 90 change, tan will be cot, tan will be change cot. Only 90 degrees change, 90 degrees change. I am already told. Tan cot, cot tan, 90 change. So, tan will be change cot 42. Next, tan 16. Next, tan 42 same, right? Next, tan 90 change cot 16. Cot 16. Cot will be right 1 by tan 42 reciprocal and tan 16. Next, tan 42. Next, 1 by tan 16. So, numerator tan 16, denominator tan 16, numerator tan 42, denominator 42, all are cancelled. The remaining answer is 1. So, D is the correct answer. So, tan 48, tan 16, tan 42, tan 74. So, big angles only change in terms of small angles. So, big angle means tan 48 to 42. 48 big angle, 90 minus 42 right. 16 no change, 42 no change. But 74 big angle convert into small angle, 90 minus 16. 90 minus 16. Tan 90 change, I am already told previous classes. Tan will be changed, cot to cot will be changed tan. Only 90. 90 change tan cot to 42. Same right, tan 16, tan 42 same right. 90 change tan cot 16. Cot mean 1 by tan, reciprocal of tan. So 1 by tan, tan 16, tan 42, 1 by tan 16. So numerator tan 16, denominator tan 16 cancel, tan 42, tan 40 cancel. So all are 1, 1, 1. 1 by 1 equal to 1 answer. So 1 is the answer. D is the correct answer. Tan 1 degree, tan 1 degree, tan 2 degree, tan 3 degree, and so on. Tan 89 degrees. Tan 89 degrees equal to dash. Very simple. Options first given. Tan A option 0. B answer 1. C option 2, D option 4. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Tan 1 no change, tan 2 no change, tan 3 and so on, tan 45, after tan 46, tan 47 and so on, tan 89. Small angle no change, big angle change in terms of tan. Tan 1, tan 2, tan 3, so tan 45 already told, tan 45 1, tan 46 right, tan 90 minus 44, 4 4 and also this one right, 90 minus 43 and so on, tan 90 minus 1, 90 minus 1. So tan 1 1, tan 2 right, tan 3 same right, 1 no change, leave it, tan 90 change, tan cot 44, tan cot this one also change 90, tan cot 43 and so on, cot 1, cot 1. So tan and cot reciprocals, tan 1 cot 1, tan 2 cot 2, tan 3 cot 3 and so on, tan 44 cot 4, all are cancelled, the remaining part is 1. So tan 1, tan 2, tan 3 and so on, tan 45. 46 will be right, tan 90 minus 44. 6, 4, 10, 4, 4, 8, 9. For tan 47 right, 90 minus 43, 42, 41 and so on. 90 minus 1 reverse, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Tan 1, tan 2, tan 3, only 1 leave it. 90 change, tan will be, tan change cot 44, cot 43, cot 42, 41, 40 and so on up to 1, cot 1. Tan and cot are reciprocals. So reciprocals of some product of reciprocals value equal to 1. Tan 1 cot 1, tan 2 cot 2, tan 3 cot 3 and so on. So all are cancelled. In previous problems also see that. So answer is 1. Next problem continuation. Sin 120 degrees, sin 120 plus sin 240 degrees, sin 240 degrees equal to dash. Option given A 0, B answer, 1 C answer, minus 1 D answer, 2. Very important, very simple also. So sin 120 no change, leave it. So sin 240 big angle write as sum of or difference of 120. So this one 240 right, 90 360 minus 120 right. Because of 360 120 0, 6 minus 2 4, 3 minus 1 240, that's all. So sin of 120 already told, 360 no change, 360 0, 180, 360 no change, same value, no change. So sin 120 same, 360 minus fourth coordinate sign minus, so that is minus 360 fourth coordinate only cos plus, but here sin, so minus put. Sin 120 plus into minus minus, sin 120 plus or minus cancel, so answer 0. First is the answer. So once again, sin 120 plus sin 240 equal to dash. So 0, 1, minus 1, 2. Sin 120 right plus sin 240 right, 360 minus 120. The sum and difference of remaining angles. So 360 minus 120 right, I write. Sin 120 plus 360 no change, only change 90 to 70, 0, 180, 360 no change. So sin function same 120. But here 360 minus 1 fourth quadrant sign minus. So put minus. Bracket remove, plus into minus minus minus. Sin 120 minus sin 120. Same value, different symbols. Cancellation 0. Option is first option 0. Sin 60. Next cos 30. Cos 30 minus cos 60 sin 30. Sin 30 plus 3 cos 0. 3 cos 0 plus 5 cos sin 90. 5 sin 90 equal to dash. First option A 17 by 2. Second option B 2 by 17. Third option 19 by 2. Fourth option 2 by 19. So here sin 60 cos 30. Sin 60 cos 30. Sin 60 cos 30 minus cos 60 sin 30 plus 3 cos 0 plus 5 sin 90. We know that already sin 60 value root 3 by 2. Cos 30 value root 3 by 2 also. Next cos 60 1 by 2. Sin 30 1 by 2. Next cos 0 1. Sin 90 also 1. These values are substituted in the problem. We get answer very simple. Sin 60 root 3 by 2. Cos 30 root 3 by 2 also minus cos 60 1 by 2. Next sin 30 also 1 by 2. Next 3 cos 0 1 plus 5 sin 90 1. Root 3 into root 3 3 by 2 2s are 4 minus 1 into 1 by 2 2s are 4 plus 3 1 ja 3 5 1 ja 5. In denominators equal, numerators plus adding minus subtraction. 3 minus 1 by 4 plus 5 plus 3 8. So we get 3 minus 1 2 by 4 plus 8. 2 1s 2 2s. That is cross multiplication 1 plus 8 2s are 16 by 2 1 ja 2. 16 plus 1 17 by 2. So answer is 17 by 2. That is the A answer. Once again, sin 60 cos 30, cos 60 sin 30, 3 cos 0 5 90. But we know that sin 60 root 3 by 2, cos 30 root 3 by 2, cos 60 1 by 2, sin 30 1 by 2, cos 0 1, sin 90 1. These values substitution in the given problem. So sin 60 root 3 by 2, cos 30 root 3 by 2 minus sin 60 1 by 2, sin 30 1 by 2 plus 3 into cos 0 1, 5 into sin 91. Root 3 multiplication with same. Root 3 whole square means square root cancel 3. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are also 4. 1 1 ja 1, 2 2s are 4. Same value. Numerators, denominators multiplication. 1 by 4. 3 1 ja 3, 5 1 ja 5. Denominators equal, numerators plus adding minus subtraction. So denominators 4 minus 3 minus 1. 5 plus 3 8. 3 minus 1 2 by 4 plus 8. 2 1s 2 4s 1 by 2. 1 by 2. In any two fractions 1 by 2 plus 8. 8 1 1. In any two fractions plus or minus cross multiplication, very simple method. 1 into 1, 8 2s are 16. 2 1s are 2. 1 plus 16 means 16 1 17 by 2. So answer is A is the correct. Cos A plus sin of 270 plus A. 270 plus A. Next minus sin of 270 minus A plus cos of 180 plus A. Cos of 180 plus A equal to dash. First option A 1, B answer 2, third option C minus 1, fourth option D 0. So very simple. First of all, write problem. neatly. Cos A plus sin of 270 plus A minus sin of 270 minus A plus cos of 180 plus A. I am already told for previous class cos A plus cos 270. Only 90 to 70 change angles. But there is no change of 0, 180, 360. That is a trigonometry rule, table wise. So 270 change. Sin will be changed cos. Cos will be changed sin. Next. So 270 sin function. Sin change cos. Cos A. Next. 270 plus. 270 plus, in trigonometry, first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant, I am already told, but once again, 0, 360 here. Next here 180, here 270, 90, here 90, here 180, here 270. So 0, 360, 90, 180, 270. 1 mean all plus, that means 90 minus 360 plus. Here 90 plus 180 minus. Here 180 plus 270 minus. Here 270 plus 360 minus. I am already told. Once again repeat. So first quadrant all plus. Second sin plus already. So third tan plus t. Fourth remaining cos plus c. So first quadrant 90 minus 360 plus all plus. Second yes sin plus. Second mean 90 plus 180 minus. Third tan plus. Tan mean third 180 plus 270 minus. Fourth 270 plus 360 minus, that means cos. So this is the trigonometric table. But here 270 already told change sin will be changed cos. 270 plus fourth quadrant, fourth cos plus, but here sin. So symbol is minus. Next minus sin again 270 change. Sin will be changed cos A. Next 270 minus here third quadrant. Third only tan plus, but here sin minus. So minus will be changed plus. Next plus cos 180 no change, same value cos A. 180 plus mean third coordinate. Third only tan plus, here cos. So symbol change minus. Once again cos A, right, same. 270 change. Sin will be changed cos A. 270 plus fourth coordinate. Fourth only cos plus, but here sin. So minus. Next sin 270 change sin cos A. 270 minus for third coordinate. Third tan plus, but here sin minus will be changed plus cos A. Same 180 no change. Cos same, right, cos A. 180 plus third coordinate, third only tan plus, but here cos minus. So plus cos A minus cos A, plus cos A minus cos A cancel, we get answer 0. D is the answer. So very simple and important also. Cos A, sin of 270 plus A minus sin of 270 minus A, sin of cos A 270. Already told 90 270 change, but 0 180 360 no change, right. So in trigonometry table, first quadrant, second quadrant, third, fourth. First quadrant mean 90 minus 360 plus. Second quadrant mean 90 plus 180 minus. Third quadrant mean 180 plus 270 minus. Fourth quadrant mean 270 plus 360 minus. But in the table, first coordinate all plus, second coordinate sin plus, third quadrant tan plus, fourth quadrant cos plus. Here 270 change sin cos A, 270 plus fourth coordinate, fourth cos minus, but here sin minus, cut minus cos A. Next sin 270 change, sin cos A. Next cos of 180 no change, cos A. 180 plus third coordinate, third tan plus, but here cos minus. So plus minus cancel, we get 0 answer. 1 plus cos 60, 1 plus cos 60 by 1 minus cos 60 equal to dash. First option given 3. Second option root 3. Third option minus 3. Fourth option 1 by 3. Very simple and easy. That is 1 plus cos 60 by 1 minus cos 60. We know that cos 60 value already told. Cos 60 how much? Cos 60 equal to 1 by 2. So substitution and get 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 1 by 2. Cross multiplication we get 1 into 2 plus 1 ones 1, 2 ones 2 by same 1 into 2 minus 1 by 2. 2 cancel. 1 plus 2 3. 3 by 1. 3 by 1 means 3. 3 is the answer. A is the correct answer. So very simple, but 3 times problem given. 3 times given. 3 times given. Very simple. Simplification only important. 1 plus cos 60 by 1 minus cos 60. 1 plus cos 60 already known. 1 by 2. 1 by 2. 1 minus cos 1 by 2. Cos 60 1 by 2. Just fundamental 2 fractions plus minus a cross multiplication. 1 into 2 2. 1 ones 1 by 2 1 ja 2. 1 2 ones 2. 1 2. 2 cancel, both are equal. 2 plus 1 3. 2 minus 1 1. Denominator 1 leave it. 3 by 1 means 3. That's all.